That's my tree. I always keep crystals on me. Look at this. We found, um, uh, my son has found crystallized rocks back here before. When we used to come back here, it's a little flooded right there. But it wraps all the way around and it's real peaceful back here. I'm okay. There's plenty of people at the park right now, so if you're thinking I'm just by myself, no, there's plenty of people walking around. I'm sure they see me walk over here, but a lot of people don't even know about it because it's kind of hidden, which I like. It's morning. It's where you get your clarity, where divinity comes from. I think everything divine is divine, but I believe that we lose touch of it if we don't get into nature as much. Because we're a reflection of nature. Look at you. We are Earth. We're symbiotic. Was that the right word? We are a physical manifestation of creation, but we're part of this. We are this. There's numerical and mathematical equations throughout nature which matches even our biological structure, like the Fibonacci sequence and stuff like that, if you study it. And that's just not no coincidence. So if everything matches each other and is connected numerically, mathematically, we live in a world full of numbers, then that which you are, you can have a lot of influence over a lot of situations in your life. Or you can be carried on like, the wind carries leaves. You just be carried through, and eventually awaken to the consciousness of your power somewhere along the line. I believe everybody do, but nature is one that if you want to find God, I always tell people go out in nature. If you're looking for a source or to be in touch, look, I'm sun shining right on me doing this message. You looking for that peace, because you cannot find it in the house with all them devices and all them tablets and all that stuff going on. I have to come out here. Sometimes I don't even bring my phone. After this, I'll just shut my phone off and just chill and just feel good from the environment. It's very important. I haven't been in a little bit, but I've been coming to this park for years. So me and this park has a connection. I showed y'all my tree. Look, it was just 444 on my camera. That's my tree. I'm gonna walk up to it. Me and my son assigned our trees some time ago. I think everybody should have their own tree, but you know, everybody's different.